Welcome! My name is Drata. I am an intuitive, psychic medium, clairvoyant. I also work as a spiritual coach. Each session with me is unique, and it's channeled as I tune in to your inner self, your energy field, as well as your past loved ones, spirit guides, and deliver the messages that they have for you and what you need to know at that time. Each session is different. It can be very raw and honest, as all the messages delivered are not being interpreted, they're just being given as they come. What you can expect from the sessions with me is a lot of guidance, as well as tools to help you move forward with your life.